Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you could, set up donations on Twitch, or how you can set up Twitch donation. So to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that you're logged into your Twitch account or that you created your Twitch account. So in my case, I already have an account and I'm just gonna go ahead and log in into my account. So type in twitchtv.com and log in into your account. Once logged in, you need to go ahead and set up your channel. In order to set up a channel, you need to go ahead and press the profile from the top left hand side, go to channel, and now you could go ahead and scroll down a bit and you can start creating your channel at the bottom. So you can see you could go ahead and click on customize channel as well, and then you could go ahead. So to now set up a donation or to add a donation, you need to click on customize channel. As soon as you do that, you could then go ahead and link a payment platform. So if you scroll down a bit, you can find the social link, all that. You could also go to feature content, and if you're still unable to find it, so at the bottom you can find creators camp. Over here you could go ahead and find the link platform option, but you have to go ahead and do that. You need to add the donation button and promote your channel as well. Now here are some steps how you can set up a donation on Twitch as well. You could go ahead and link your platform. Now Twitch offers several platforms options including PayPal, Stripe, and Amazon payment as well. You could then go ahead and add a donation button on your Twitch page by going to your dashboard and clicking the add button. So you need to go ahead and press the profile icon one more time. Go to back to Twitch first thing. And here, press the profile icon one more time. Go to Creators Dashboard. While you're on the Creators Dashboard section, you could go ahead and locate the dashboard page, which is gonna look something like this. Add button, which you can find it somewhere over here, or you could just press on Setup over here. And once you press on Setup, then it's gonna direct you to the next field, which you could go ahead and set it up. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.